In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a demo account on cTrader. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to app.ctrader.com, which is their spotware cTrader trading platform over here. And then what you're going to have to do, top right, you want to press login. And then you have to either sign up in case you don't have an account yet. You can do it with your email and password or with your Google account, or you can just log in case you have an account already. So for me, I have an account already. I'm just going to sign in with my Google account really quickly over here so I can then show you how to open your demo account. So there we go. I'm just going to sign in with my primary email over here. And then there we go, it's going to say it's successfully loaded and you're now signed in. And if you want to actually open up a demo account, this should already be a demo account by default. So as you can see over here, Pepperstone Europe demo, this should be a demo account. But if you don't have it, and if you wanted, of course, another one with a different balance than this one over here, as well as the different leverage, you want to click on open new trading account. And then here you can switch between live and demo. So for me, I'm going to go for demo, and then you have to choose what your deposit would like to be. So you can go from 1,000 up to towards 1,000,000 over here, and then you can select your currency. I'm going to do USD, and then you can select your leverage over here. So you can go from 1 to 1 to 1 to 1,000, but 1 to 100 is default. Now over here, you can also change your account type, netting or hedging, so that's up to you. You can of course read what all of these are over here by hovering over this info button, and then once you do that, you can of course click on open a demo account. And then after you do this, there we go, as you can see, your demo account has been successfully opened, and you can just basically just switch between these over here and make sure this spotware demo is open, and you can just start using it as you would use any other demo account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.